इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृत्ति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।
नमो सिद्धाणम नमो हरियाणम नमो वजायाणम नमो लुई शवशाणम एसो पंच नमो यारो सौ पाव प्रणासिनो मंगलाणम च सुभीसिम परमं हवै मंगलम तुल्लम मानु सत्तमीदम्मो जुणोपदेशियो नुल्लो संयमो सुतो मोक्षवलद्धि दुल्लहा। परम पूज्य तीन लोक के नाथ आदिनाथ भगवान, I want to go the lotus feet of Adinath Swami Tirthankar Mahavir Swami, who was the moonlight of this of the Digambajan temple of Vihar Dali. And I want to bow my head in front of Acharya Tapassamrata Sarmati Sagarji Maharaj with the penance of the, was speak at the penance in Jain tradition, in Digambajan tradition, not in Digambajan but in the whole world. Whatever he did, we can't imagine. Yesterday I told you he spent 10 years just only with Matta Pani and alternately. Today he will take food just only Matta Pani, then next day fast, then next day, then like this, 48 hours, one time 48 hours. And it's very summer season, it's impossible for common person, for human being. Did that thing. So his Patacharya, his descendant disciple, Param Pujacharya Sulinesh Maharaj wrote this fantastic book that is Vayana Saru. I told yesterday that Vayana means the scripture, whatever from birth to death, something comes out of our mouth, thousand, billion, trillions of words. So this essence of this all word, that is the Vajana. Vajana means Vachan, Vajana. And the sorrow essence of these all things. He quote the thing that Dullaham Manu Sattam. Dullam means rare. So, so many, I don't know, perhaps 3-4 crores persons are there on this planet now, at this present moment. So, 3-4 crores human beings are there. But how many persons who are really the humanity is there? So humanity is a very rare thing. And suppose, consider, humanity is, consider ki humanity is a simple thing. But Dhammo Jinovodesiyo, Jinendra Prabhu Tirthankar Mahavir Swami, whatever he described, delivered to his all disciples of all this planet, it's very durlabh, very so rare thing of anybody's life. And suppose consider, if it's simple, we can get easily. So Sanjam Suddham Dullaham, Sayyam, the path of renunciation. So it's very rare. Cha means end. Mokkhavalladi dullaha. We are getting this all things. We are getting this all things. But to attain the path of salvation, it's very rare. But in our soul, it appears in outer world. I think it happens 2 times in the world. Something happen, it will happen in internal world, in emotions, in feelings, in experiences. And whatever is we are feeling here, we will deal or describe, we will see the same thing at outer world. If you are feeling that somebody is giving me sorrow, somebody is giving you pain, so it doesn't mean that he is giving you pain or sorrow. The something sorrow is here. And reflecting, but it is a reflection of your own thought and belief system. So, if you are getting sorrow here, so you will see the same scene at outer world. Nobody is able to give you sorrow or pleasure. Everything is our own creature. That is the Durlabh. Love means to attain, to gauge. And Durlabh means do means it's like it's not a simple thing for a common person, lay person, layman. So that is durlabh. So Achashi, in this Gatha, you know what is Gatha? Gatha means shlok of stanza of Sanskrit language. That is shlok. In Prakrit language, that is Gatha. You know what is Prakrit language? It's more ancient than Sanskrit language. Kalidas, he was a great author of Sanskrit language. He wrote so many books. So in his scripture, in his books, he quote ki the person who is a common person, general person, he will use Prakrit language. And the person who is educated, he will use Sanskrit language. So in that time of when Kalidas was here on this earth, so at that time Sanskrit was a language of a educated person. But Prakrit Bhasha, it was a language of a common person. It was a local language at that time. So Prakrit Bhasha, our ancient scripture of this India, oldest scripture of ancient India, not in book form, but it was a Shilalik, Hathi Gumpha Shilalik. It's very famous. You can Google it. Hathi Gumpha Shilalik, before 2050, 500 years. So that was a Hathi Gumpha Shilalik. So it was in Prakrit Bhasha. Ancient Shilalik. Shilalik comes carving on stone, on chattan. So that was an ancient proof that there is a local language of India was Prakrit Bhasha. So if you want to know what is the impact of language on our house of being, if you want to know the impact of our today life in each and every aspect and area of our life, so when you are free, then close your room and you should put your hand here until then change the location of your hand, then then same thing, same then here and so you every time you're telling but if you change the location, position of your hand, so every time you will feel the different vibrations. According to science, this all earth, this all universe, it's made of some vibrations. So you'll change the vibes, your life will change. The spirituality is the way to change the vibes. So only one thing is there. I'm not telling wife, I'm telling vibe. Good wife to means good life. Good wife, good life. Okay? So that is the way. So spirituality gives you the purity in that vibrations. So without purity vibrations, you can't get any spiritual height, otherwise in materialistic world also height. You want to get any, whatever you want to in your life, in materialistic field or in spiritual field, your vibes are the same, you can't go ahead in any field of your life. Even you can't move the single inch. So this much powerful vibrations is there. That is the impact of vibrations in our whole life. So, you know, karmic bondage, whatever we did good or bad deed in our previous birth, so it's, we can say ki, according to spirituality and science, if we will mix both things, then our genes, in our genes, why we are like this? Because our genes, genetic science is telling, because our genes. So from where we got genes? From our ancestor. So why we got that particular gene? They know answer in genetic science. Just only Jainism can give the answer of this thing. That is because of good or bad deed, what we did in our previous birth. Why we got that particular parent? Why we got particular person in our life? Whether it's a good or bad deed. We all are human beings, so we did so many karmas, so that karmic bondage, that is like karmana sharir. in Zen methodology. Now, so many persons, they can give you detachment regarding Zen mythology, regarding Zen holy books. Vitragi means 18 defects are not there. Like Janma Jara Mrityu. Janma is birth, oldness and death. The next one thing, thirst and hunger. There is no thirst, no hunger in Vitragi. So many other things are there. Not sweating, not urine, not stool. Not these all things are there. You will see the person who is so poor like beggar, with no shelter, no food, no clothes. You will see any billionaire. You will see the skyscraper building of that millionaire. The Vitaragi, who is not like this feeling? It's okay. Something good, it's okay. Something bad, it's okay. So if somebody is doing something good or bad with you, and there's a balance in your life, you're not affecting too much. That is the seed of your spirituality. They were doing something good for you, you're so nice, fantastic, awesome, this and that. So you're not uchling in hawa. So that is a special English I'm using. I know there is nothing is like that, this word in English dictionary, but I'm using this word. You're uchling, hai na? Ki something, ki you become so, you will feel so too much proud feeling. Otherwise, there's somebody humiliating something. You're so dirty, you're so bad. So at that moment, you can feel ki, yesterday there was a meeting of Mahila Mandala. So I was delivering a very short, brief and lecture and pravachan. I was telling ki don't use, you insulted me. Two words is there. One line is there, you insulted me. Now, he'll use this line, if you deliver this thing to in front of a person who is in front of you, you will use ki, you insulted me. So maybe he can become more aggressive, more arrogant, and he can feel hatredness with you and whatever. So don't use this line, use the line, I feel insulted. What? One line is, you insulted me. Second thing, I feel insulted. I feel insulted means कि maybe in the same scenario any other person, maybe he can't feel insulted. So you are not responsible for my insult. Second line is telling us that is spirituality. That is a real religion. Whatever doing puja, part, worship and reading of holy books, swadhyaya and chanting, and so many rituals are there in different religions and different countries and different centuries. What I got these years in my spiritual journey, the journey of knowledge, seeking of God, I got one thing. The same scenario, any other person can be cool and calm. The coolness, calmness, that is the heart of spirituality. So we got this thing. It's very, and today I'm so happy because the president of Pradhanji of this temple where Chaturmas is happening, Neeraj ji and his whole family organized this all functions and so many VIPs of Jainism, hai na? VIPs means some rich and some scholars and some so dedicated persons who are doing 24-hour full attention in religious field. So these all are persons here. Also Vakil Chand is also the chief guest of this his own house and his chief host, not guest but chief host. So he's organizer of this whole function. It's both son are here and both and grandson and every person is here. Whole Samaj is here. So I want to talk only one thing. Ki that is Sayyam, to remain calm. Because calmness, there is no meaning of any spiritual practice. So this is the seed of spirituality. But Acha she told you ki dul ho sanjamo suddho. Suddho, the pure renunciation. If sometimes it happens with some persons, they're doing some special practice, and the person who's not doing it will feel, hey, you're so dirty, you're not doing any spiritual thing. You're sinner, you're doing sin. So this is not religion. Religion means ki whatever you're feeling, okay, I'm adopting, I'm using those all words in my life, that's what reflecting in my life. That just only tongue is telling. My whole body, my whole existence is going part towards the God, the reality, the truth, the ultimate. To get the ultimate, now we all are here. So only one thing, it will make difference in your life. The person who is not interested in spirituality, the person who don't know what is God, what is heaven, what is hell, he don't know these all things. And that person who is not like a stranger in religious field, what are we doing? You're doing the same thing. It's like abuse. It's like an insult of religion, insult of Lord Mahavir Swami. There should be some difference between the person who is the common person, who is not religious, and you. So what is the identity of your religion? Are you religious or not? Huh? So nobody will give you identity card. I'm proving it. This university and this organization. Otherwise, this person. No, nobody's like this person who will affiliate you, who will give you a certificate, who will give you passport and visa to enter the kingdom, the realm of spiritual world. Only one thing, that is your own transformation. Your own transformation. Transformation is an ongoing process. It's not one day. It's not for one time. If somebody told something bitter, something harsh, you're so cool and calm. Okay, at that moment you're a spiritual person. No matter which practice you're doing, no matter which God or which religion or which guru you believe, but one thing will make difference in your life, that is your own transformation. The definition of transformation according me, according our Guru Acharya, Gurudev, Sri Sakji Maharaj, that is one thing, calmness. Every situation scenario. No rati, no rati. Rati means we are so anxious, we are so excited, we are so eager in some places, in some persons, in some things.
इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।